Tech Tips brought to you by AAG IT. Today we're looking at Microsoft OneNote. So first up, you can organise your notes by creating new notebooks, sections and pages. At the top you will see that you can add a new section, and then on the right hand side you will see that you can add a new page by right clicking and clicking add new page, or just clicking Control and N on your keyboard. This will add new pages within your section, and this is how you can separate them. Next up, you can password protect your sections. So at the top where you see your sections, you can right click on them and you can click on password protect this section. You can follow the instructions to add a password to your sections. Thirdly, we have the ability to add tags. Just click on your home page and then click tags and then click on an icon that is suitable. These include to-do checkboxes, important markers and question marks. Next up is the ability to make meeting notes. To do this, you can simply add any meeting from your Microsoft calendar, and how do you get there is by just searching at top meetings, click insert meeting details and select the meeting details you wish to insert. To help keep your OneNote organized, you could create a new section or rename a section that is predominantly for those meeting notes. Lastly, we have some useful keyboard shortcuts for Microsoft OneNote. As mentioned previous, if you click Control and N on your keyboard, this will add a new page. To insert a link, you can click Control and K for kilo, and this will bring up the ability to add a new link. To insert the current date and time, click Alt, Shift and F for Foxtrot on your keyboard. This will insert the current date and time. And to select all the items on a page, click Control and A, which is pretty universal across most platforms. Be sure to follow for more tech tips.